kids, this is Rajni here. Today I have an interesting and a new activity. You must be wondering what? Wait, let me give you a clue. The clue is it comes in different shapes, different size and of different colors. It is little sticky and soft. You can knead it like a chapati. You can make toys, dolls or whatever you wish to. If you don't have one, you can easily make it at home. Did you guess it now? That's right. It's a clay. I have an activity with the clay today. The materials required are an old kg sheet, any two old pictures like I have taken a boy and a house, straw, clay, Fevicol and a ping pong ball. Roll the clay like this. To make strings like this, stick it on the cardboard . Take the boy, use some Fevicol, stick it and place it at the starting point. Take the house and place it with the help of a straw. Let's help the ball reach his house. Yay! So kids, what did we do today? That's right, we did a maze. You can make simple maze at home like how I made today. Enjoy playing with the clay. Bye bye.